Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a miracle belly fat burning juice with a natural ingredient which not only helps in weight loss but will boost your immunity, protect you from many diseases like cancer, enrich your body with nutrients, flushes out dangerous toxins from your body, cleanses the blood, detoxifies the liver, gives you a sudden energy boost, reduces acidity and stimulates the thyroid. This fat burning juice is made with a superfood which can be grown right in your home. Yes, I'm talking about the super nutritious, antioxidant and vitamin rich wheatgrass. If grown at home, it becomes one of the most inexpensive, cheapest and organic superfood. Do check my video on how to grow wheatgrass at home with or without soil. 70% of young wheatgrass is chlorophyll, a proteinaceous compound found in green leaves of plants and grasses. Chlorophyll is known as the blood of a plant. Chlorophyll increases the function of the heart, vascular system, intestines, uterus and lungs. This green miracle juice should be considered as a tonic for those with health issues like diabetes, thyroid, hormonal imbalances like PCOS, respiratory issues like asthma, beneficial for those undergoing cancer treatments and for those having infertility issues. In short, wheatgrass juice helps to increase red blood cells, which in turn improve the immune system. Wheatgrass juice helps to burn stubborn belly fat in 7 days. Just 2 to 3 ounces of this green juice on an empty stomach in the morning will not only boost your energy and keep you feeling fuller, but also fulfills nutritional deficiencies by removing waste that clogs your cells, blood, tissues and organs. The supply of proper nutrients, especially the high quality minerals, vitamins, enzymes and amino acids contained in wheatgrass juice will give you plenty of energy all through the day. This juice will help you release excess fats, especially abdominal fats, mineral deposits that are trapped in the organs of digestion and elimination. Wheatgrass is a cleanser, builder, healer, fat burner, protector and regenerator of health. It can attack and destroy bacteria or malignant cells. This juice can be consumed by anyone, whether you are overweight or has abdominal fat or is underweight and has a tendency towards anemia or are afraid of cancer or simply to nourish your body. After about a week of consuming this miracle juice, you will have a flatter stomach, better energy, improved complexion, better sleep, weight loss and an overall health. So let me show you how to make this amazing green juice, and later in the video I will explain some more benefits. So let's get started. Trim off fresh grass, and I have a handful of fresh wheatgrass which I grew at home. And now place the grass in a bowl and wash and rinse it thoroughly and change the water a couple of times. You can juice wheatgrass either by running it through a slow juicer or by blending it in a blender. I'm showing the blending method today. However, if you have a slow juicer, you can use it. Into my chutney grinder, I'm adding in the washed wheatgrass and adding in 30 ml water. You can use any blender of your choice. Blend it for a minute and you will get something like this. Squeeze out the grass fiber and through a sieve pour the wheatgrass juice into a glass. Here I have 2 ounce shot glass, or you can measure it in a wine glass and pour 2 ounces of the fresh grass juice into it. Drink this on an empty stomach as soon as you juice it for better nutrient absorption. The juice does have a grassy taste with a sweet aftertaste. The juice will cleanse your blood, help regenerate aging cells and contains vitamin C, A, E and B vitamins. The type of vitamin E found in wheatgrass is 10 times more easily assimilated by the body than synthetic vitamin E capsules. You will also feel a sudden boost in energy as your metabolism improves. A feeling of fullness and satiety can be noticed, which will prevent you from binge eating and thereby helps in weight loss and weight management. Drinking this juice for 7 days will help to strengthen your immunity, detoxify your blood, helps to regulate irregular menstruation, helps with menstrual cramps. Remember, it is a good source of iron but will not give you constipation issues like iron capsules or pills. Wheatgrass juice helps to nourish your thyroid, as drinking this juice will be like adding an excellent source of iodine in your diet. This will also have a tonic effect on the thyroid gland, and thus it nourishes your thyroid and can be a tremendous aid in losing weight safely. Wheatgrass juice will also help to remove inflammation from the body. Wheatgrass juice helps to balance your hormones. Hence, those with hormonal issues like PCOS will benefit from drinking wheatgrass juice regularly. It is said that wheatgrass is a natural miracle gift to man. The high calcium content makes it a boon for those suffering from arthritis and osteoporosis. In addition to enzymes, wheatgrass also contains amino acids, magnesium, and potassium. Wheatgrass also fights tumors, lessens the effects of radiation, and neutralizes toxins. You can always take a break once in a while having this juice. The rest day enable your body to adjust to the changes it has made, making the juice even more effective the next day.